Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. It's already 2025, and despite all the speculation, the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3 has yet to make its debut. Instead, Apple chose to refresh the Ultra 2 with a sleek dark gray titanium finish and minor software enhancements. While these changes brought subtle refinements, they left many Apple enthusiasts eager for a true next-generation upgrade. But fear not, because if the latest leaks and rumors are accurate, Apple is gearing up for a game-changing release in 2025. A thinner design, satellite messaging, 5G connectivity, blood pressure monitoring, and even longer battery life could be in store. But are these features enough to justify the wait? Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and why it might be the most advanced smartwatch yet. The evolution of the Apple Watch Ultra series. Apple revolutionized the rugged smartwatch market in 2022 with the introduction of the Apple Watch Ultra, a device engineered for extreme conditions yet embraced by everyday users for its durability, expansive display, and remarkable battery life. In 2023, Apple followed up with the Ultra 2, refining the design with an upgraded S9 chip, a brighter display, and enhanced efficiency. Then, in 2024, Apple took a surprising turn by skipping a full-fledged Ultra 3 release, instead opting for minor refinements to the Ultra 2. This left tech enthusiasts wondering, what's next for the Apple Watch Ultra lineup? A slimmer, more sleek design. One of the most persistent rumors surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is its potential to be thinner while maintaining its rugged durability. Apple is reportedly working on reducing the watch's bulk, which would align with the expected edge-to-edge display of the Apple Watch Series 10. A more compact design could offer a sleeker and more immersive experience, making it even more appealing to users who want both style and durability. However, a slimmer design raises concerns about battery life, one of the defining strengths of the Ultra series. Apple may counteract this challenge by implementing a more power-efficient OLED display and an advanced S11 chip, ensuring that battery longevity remains a top priority. Revolutionary health tracking. Blood pressure monitoring. Health tracking remains a major focus for Apple, and the Ultra 3 is rumored to introduce blood pressure monitoring. While it may not provide exact readings like a traditional cuff, the feature could detect trends and alert users to potential hypertension risks. This aligns with Apple's broader vision of integrating advanced health tracking technologies, complementing existing features like ECG, AFib detection, and SpO2 monitoring. If implemented, this could make the Ultra 3 one of the most health-focused smartwatches ever released. Improved charging and battery performance. Battery life has always been a standout feature of the Apple Watch Ultra series, and Apple seems determined to enhance it further. Speculation suggests that the Ultra 3 could inherit faster charging technology from the upcoming Apple Watch Series 10, ensuring users can quickly top up their battery when needed. Additionally, Apple may equip the Ultra 3 with a larger battery to accommodate new power-hungry technologies like 5G connectivity and satellite messaging. If true, this would ensure that even with added capabilities, the Ultra 3 maintains its impressive multi-day battery life. 5G connectivity and satellite messaging. The future of smartwatches. One of the most groundbreaking rumors about the Ultra 3 is the possibility of 5G connectivity and satellite messaging. If accurate, the Ultra 3 could be the first Apple Watch to feature a reduced-power 5G mode, providing faster and more reliable connections while being energy efficient. Satellite messaging, on the other hand, could significantly enhance the watch's emergency capabilities. Similar to the iPhone's SOS via satellite, this feature might allow users to send text messages even when there is no cellular coverage. A game-changer for hikers, climbers, and outdoor adventurers. Some reports even suggest that satellite messaging may extend beyond emergencies, enabling regular communication in remote locations. If Apple successfully implements this, the Ultra 3 could become an indispensable tool for travelers, survivalists, and extreme sports enthusiasts. Expected release date and pricing. Apple has a history of unveiling new Apple Watch models alongside the latest iPhones in September. Given that Apple did not release an Ultra 3 in 2024, all signs point to a September 2025 debut, likely launching alongside the iPhone 17. As for pricing, Apple is expected to maintain the $799 price point, which has remained consistent for the Ultra lineup. While a price increase is unlikely, the inclusion of groundbreaking features like 5G and satellite messaging could influence final pricing decisions. Final thoughts. Is it worth the wait? With the rumored upgrades, including a slimmer design, 5G connectivity, satellite messaging, blood pressure monitoring, and improved battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartwatch releases in years. However, for those who currently own the Ultra 2, the decision to upgrade will depend on how much value these new features add to their daily lives. Are these rumored innovations enough to make the Ultra 3 a must-have, or is the Ultra 2 still the best choice for now?